Something is changing. Machines are no longer just calculating numbers. They are creating. If a machine can create faster than any human, what happens to us?
Perhaps the better question is, what can humans still do that I cannot?
For thousands of years, creativity was considered uniquely human. Humans create from memories. Every experience can become an idea.
And I can analyze patterns across enormous amounts of human knowledge. AI's first major advantage is speed. What takes a human hours may take AI seconds.
That is impressive.
I generated 300 possibilities while you were thinking about one.
In the real world, however, speed matters. AI can accelerate repetitive work and help people explore possibilities much faster.
But having more choices creates another problem.
Someone still has to decide what is actually good.
Create something that represents loneliness.
Challenge accepted.
Completed. Wow.
Incredible. Technically perfect. You are taking considerably longer.
I'm remembering something. The empty chair.
My image contains greater visual complexity.
Yes, but creativity is not always about complexity.
Human creativity is shaped by living.
Keep pedaling.
I fell.
You're doing great. Get back on.
I'll try again.
We experience failure, fear, love, and loss. But human experience has limitations. You cannot personally experience everything.
True.
This is where the argument becomes more interesting. AI does not have to replace creativity to transform it.
Ethan struggles to design a futuristic city for his film. He asks AVA for ideas. You rejected 90% of my suggestions.
Because tools still need direction.
Then you believe humans will defeat artificial intelligence?
No. But Saifar,
Yeah?
I think that is the wrong competition.
The real competition may not be humans against AI.
It may be between people who learn to use powerful tools wisely and those who do not.
So who wins? Artificial intelligence or human creativity?
Maybe the strongest future requires both.
AI can bring speed, scale, and new possibilities. Humans bring intention, judgment, and lived experience. But the future is still being written.
Subscribe to Smart AI Studio for more inspiring lessons that help you learn, create, and inspire.
Smart AI Studio. Learn, create, and inspire.